The police have filed a complaint against unknown attackers. AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal has, remember, taken on the BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi here in Varanasi. There you can see the AAP supporters at the hospital where those two volunteers who were beaten up were brought.
एक गुट था बीजेपी वालों का, वो सब लोग बिल्ले लगाए हुए थे भाजपा वाले, वो आके मोदी मोदी। फिर उसके बाद हम लोगों ने कहा कि भाई बात क्या है, तो उनके कहने लगे, फिर केजरीवाल अरविंद पे कुछ कहने लगे, तो हम लोगों ने कहा आप बात करिए। वो बात सुन नहीं रहे थे, उन्होंने धक्का मारा, कहते हैं यहाँ से जाओ। फिर उन्होंने धक्का मारा हो, फिर उसके तुरंत बाद एक बंदा आया, उसने आके एक मतलब सीधे पीटना हम लोगों को लातों मुक्कों से चालू कर दिया।
उन लोगों ने शुरुआत करी कि भगोड़े को डिफेंड करने आए हो। तो हमने अपनी बात रखी, हम लोग लगे भाई अगर यही बात है तो फिर बैठ के वाद विवाद करते हैं, आइए हम भी बैठते हैं, आप भी बैठिए। तो पहले वो आए, फिर वापस जाके रिग्रुप हुए, 15-20 करीब थे, रिग्रुप होकर फिर आए और उसमें 4-5 ने हाथापाई करी।
Well, joining us now on the phone line is BJP spokesperson Nalin Kohli. So what do you have to say about what's just taken place? And this is not the first time that AAP volunteers have faced violence at the hands of BJP workers.
Well, I think first of all, Gargi, I'd like you to not call them BJP workers without being specific that they are workers. People in all across the country do wear BJP badges, they do wear Narendra Modi masks, and that does not necessarily mean that the BJP is planning instigated attacks on the Aam Aadmi Party. Any form of violence is not acceptable in democracy, it's not acceptable to us at all, and we've been repeatedly saying it. At the same time, we need to bear in mind, while there is a right to free speech, which every party and every Indian enjoys, at the same time, it does not include a right to instigate and a right to themselves perpetrate violence. And I'm going to give three examples. Mr. Yogendra Yadav was on stage when one of the Aam Aadmi Party volunteers put ink on his face. Mr. Yadav had a field day taking the name of Mr. Modi, all BJP leaders. Till in the evening it came out that it was an Aam Aadmi Party worker, and in between, his own party colleagues trashed the man. The scooter driver slapped Mr. Kejriwal. He was a supporter of AAP. His people, the Aam Aadmi Party. But Mr.
Kohli, coming back to this specific case, what are you going to do? Are you going to find out who these people are? Will you take action?
Actually, I'll put it very clearly. I have done multiple press conferences in Varanasi and told clearly, we appeal to all supporters, to all public, do not get into any kind of physical altercation, despite instigation, because there are equal reports that the Aam Aadmi Party volunteers do instigate people, and they do. And that results sometimes in heated arguments, which there is no place in democracy for that too. We have even offered that Aam Aadmi Party should seek police protection if they want. Otherwise, we will tell our volunteers to give them protection should they ask of us. We've said this openly there. But the Aam Aadmi Party's track record so far has been sensationalism, accusations, and they do it repeatedly. Should a single worker, and I'm making this clear, officially of the party, be involved in anything, rest assured the party will take strong action, because we are not asking anybody to be violent. In fact, we are appealing for peace and calm. But at the same time, we expect the Aam Aadmi Party not to catch every supporter on the street, instigate them into an argument, and then when they receive something at their end, put the blame on the BJP and its leadership.